G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, and the time is 9:20 in the morning. I hope you like this video, and so please subscribe. I'll zoom in a little bit, catch for about 5 minutes of this video I think. Let them feed. I was hoping for a better shot here, but we've got one feeding there. We've got one feeding on this bird feeder. I was hoping the light would come out a bit more into here. And there's plenty of other birds there sort of spooking him as well. Oh, he comes back again. Hoping for a nice close-up there of that bird. Oh, he's disappearing again. Oh, we'll let this... We'll try to focus on this one, in the bird bath. Ignore the other bird feeder. Just focus on that one and see if anybody will run for about 5 minutes, and we'll see if any birds there will come down and eat. Well, it's just been over 5 minutes. We've still got this bird feeder here. They're getting what they want out of this one. Missing the other action in here. There's a lot of action in there. Oh well, we'll let them feed. That's a nice shot. Yeah, there's two really red ones, red and blue ones, and you got I think the same birds, but they're maybe younger. I don't know. There's 2 of those as well. Anyway, well, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.